Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2014 14 plate Hyundai iX35. Now this is a very well specified car. We're finished in grey metallic, which is one of the best colours for these vehicles. We've got LED daytime running lights, lower fog lamps on this one as well. Then we're riding on a very similar coloured alloy wheel. So these are 17-inch 5 triple spokes, finished in grey metallic as well. All four in very nice order, riding on nice tyres. Then just looking down the side of the vehicle, you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings. Looking at the mirror caps, looking at the door edges, even around the grab handles. And then obviously we've got roof bars on this one as well. Coming through to the rear, we've got rear parking sensors and rear tow bar. So that's with 7-pin electrics. Coming through into the boot, parcel shelf is present. We've got split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. Got a 12-volt power outlet in the side there, and then under here you'll find a space saver spare wheel with all the kit to change it. All these newer vehicles, they all come with tyre inflation kits, so a spare wheel is a nice thing to have. It's just peace of mind. Again then, looking at the bodywork, looking at the paintwork, and then jumping inside, we've got a half leather and cloth sports seat. Leather multifunction steering wheel. But then looking through to the rear, central armrest, Isofix in the bottom, 3 seat belts, comfortable seating for 3. And I might add, this has rear heated seats as well, so fantastic for rear passengers. Obviously, since you've got the rear heating, you've got the front heating as well. I've got both keys in my pocket, as you can see. And as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 79,373 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. 4 electric windows, child lock, window lock, park folding mirrors, cruise control, voice command, volume and media controls, Bluetooth phone. We've got automatic lights, automatic wipers, so the car basically does everything for you. CD player, FM radio, media as well, so you can connect your phone via the aux. Heated front seats, dual zone climate control, heated front screen. A very, very nice spec vehicle. Doesn't smell like it's been smoked in. Doesn't smell of any sort of pets. So if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, give us a call. Our phone number is 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.